guys, welcome back to my channel. And this is my first ride after the Joke Falls ride. I took a long break because I had quite a lot of stuff to do and was very much held up. So right now heading out nearby, something like a warm-up ride, very nearby, not at all far, just going till the toll gate, just stretching my legs a bit. It's 4:30 in the evening right now. पब्लिक टॉयलेट रह के भी रास्ते पे मुतने का रहता है लोगों को. So yeah, as I was saying, it's 4:30 in the evening right now, and I think I should be back in an hour at the max. So ऐसे ही निकले. It'll take me an hour to come back because I might stop, click a few photos, and maybe enjoy the view at one place. Might go to a different place which you guys have not seen as of now. So चलते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं उधर जाने की, and let me hit the highway and then मिलते हैं. Oh my god. The bike is at 84 degrees right now, and I've hardly covered a kilometer since start. I mean, जब तक गाड़ी को हवा नहीं मिलेगा ना, तब तक वाट लग जाएगा. Of course it doesn't throw heat at you, but you do feel it. Not in an uncomfortable way, but then I'm also sweating because directly or indirectly the whole surrounding is getting hot because the bike is hot. Very low. Oh my god, there's a new fuel pump here. Completely never knew. Wow. So that is good news now. I don't have to go to fill fuel the other way around. I can directly come here, take a U-turn, go fill fuel. Acha hua. It's been a month, not even a month I guess. We rode I think just before Diwali, end of October 27th if I'm not wrong. So fast, quick progress. Apart from the government, every progress is fast, apart from anything that is related to the government. It happens everywhere, every state, every country also. I don't want to say I don't know any other countries, but it might be. But then as for us, yes, apart from official works, anything and everything can happen at the click of a button or at the clap of a hand. I mean, you can do things instantly apart from government services. Hope it changes, because that is the case with State Bank of India as well. I compare it to a few other banks, and for every small process, for everything which they can actually implement in their mobile app or their website, you just bloody have to go to the bank, fill a form, waste paper, waste your time, stand in the queue, spread COVID, and do things. I why do they want to, you know, have such a lengthy process? Rather they just shorten everything and you know, finish it off. Online kar do, stand in the line, you know, fill a form. All that is so cumbersome nowadays. I know there are people who enjoy doing these things, go to the bank just to update their passbook, stand in the queue just to update their passbook. But come on, not everyone wants to do that. So ये rant समझ लो, कुछ भी समझ लो, this is something that I completely hate. Look at this lady, she was walking on the road, she is picking flowers on the divider, and she's again walking back on the road. That is why accidents on highways happen. So many times on a blind curve I have faced humans crossing the road. Bad, really bad. I will be trying out a completely new angle for the Insta360. Let me go ahead, because I actually want to do something different. Quite a few people have done it before. I just want to do it. I want to try what happens. कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, देखना है. I've got a bit of a cold. By the way, if you checked the last video, you would have seen that I've added music. So if you want such videos, if you want a few more videos like that with some nice music in the background or some nice songs, I'll try to do it. Let me see what I can do, because when you're motovlogging, you tend to, I tend to talk a lot. So most of my content has got my voice rather than the motorcycle's engine noise or music. And you can imagine my videos are at least 15, 17, most of my videos are 15 to 17 minutes long, and still there is a lot of speech in the video. So I don't find it necessary to put music everywhere. I have tried to put music a couple of times, but I don't know whether I should continue doing music or no. So let me just stop and change my Insta360 camera angle. I want to try something new. I hope to have captured some crazy good footage. What happened was, my Insta360 is dead. I don't know, I had charged it, but I don't know what happened. It is dead, I think, and the charger also is not working. So it's time for me to call Srijit from Bike and Biker and get a good charger, because this one from AliExpress was giving tantrums on the joke ride. I think it's time for a new mobile charger now. So Bike and Biker, help me out. Ganna is there on the road everywhere. Ganna is sugarcane. it's strewn on the road everywhere from tractors. So what happens is these tractors with double trailers, they carry sugarcane from the fields. They go to the sugar factory. I don't know how legal it is to, you know, drive a double trailer on the highway. There are 2 trailers usually on the tractor, always. So, and on these steep inclines, you'll always see the tractors, the front is always lifted. If there is any tractor that is going up, I think I can show you the instance. But yes, as भैया जाओ, कोई तो जाओ, कहीं से तो जाओ. Oh my god, I don't know if I can overtake from the shoulder. My bike is backfiring like crazy. There is a road which goes up, I know. That is the dead end of the road. अभी मैं व्यू के लिए कहाँ रुकूँ? So this is the beautiful view. So just leaving this beautiful place and heading back home. Winter evenings. It's just 5:30 and it's getting dark. Back into my town. This excavation is going on since ages. No progress. Sarkari kaam. What else can be expected? This road is known as Yadiyurappa Marg, and it is named after our ex-chief minister. Oh, that's a beautiful XUV 700. Okay, so yeah, this road is Yadiyurappa Marg, named after our ex-chief minister. They have installed some beautiful lights on the footpaths, but the footpath is non-existent because of those cement pipes that you see on the footpath, and those beautiful poles never light up. I mean, the corporation spends so much money to install them, but why not maintain them? I mean, you will float, the corporation will float a tender to, you know, put up fresh lights, and taxpayers' money is again used. Footpath is of no use, those lights are of no use. Everything will be ripped and fresh ones will be put on, and the cycle will continue. The new ones also will not be maintained, they'll also be vandalized. I mean, people are to be equally blamed, because kyun tod phod karna hai? When you get something so nice and, you know, for your own town, people are not content with it. They want to break all these things and steal them. क्या करने वाले हो? When it is not causing you any harm, why to damage or vandalize it? If any concerned authorities are watching, I request you to, you know, please do the needful, maintain करो. आप ही का नाम रोशन होगा. People will talk good of you. You yourself will get the votes during election because you are doing a good job. Why not maintain and keep the roads good, keep the city clean, keep the lights burning? Periodic maintenance is better than, you know, replacement. Cheaper as well. अगर आप मेंटेनेंस के लिए खर्चा करोगे तो आपको और पैसे मिलेंगे कुछ नया लगाने के लिए बेलगाम में. That is what I think, but I don't know whether our authorities think the same way. Idiot on the road. क्या खुशी मिलता है लोगों को रॉन्ग साइड पे चलाने में, उनको ही पता है. So we're back home and this is the end of the vlog now. My dog is getting scared and I stalled the bike. Great. Luckily it didn't stall when I was on the incline. Oh my god, I'm sweating. So see you guys. I hope you enjoy this video and stay subscribed to the channel. So until next time, stay safe, ride hard, always wear a mask. See you, bye bye.